Hello dears, and hope so you will be fine. Last time you sent me the dealer's email and its login credentials, so now I will explain that also it worked the same as the previous was. There is no issue and no problem. For example, I will again explain it with an example. So this one, Brightspeed Elite. Now we will log in for this and we will check. As its node ID is 716, and this is the dealer email as you provided me. Now check, after the login it will directly take you to that item and its detail. Look, it's Brightspeed Elite and that's its node ID, and it's all the detail of the item. So I think so there is no issue, and if you find something else then explain it to me, or I also give you my email and my Skype ID. Came online and explain it to me. Otherwise there is no issue, and I think your task is already clear. Hope so it will make sense, and I will wait for your reply. Thank you. Have a good day.